Hello students, now let us solve the question from the exercise number 4.4, the chapter linear equation in two variable. In this first question is, give the geometric representation of y is equals to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. First let us solve in one variable, y is equals to 3, thus we are going to plot. It is just like number line that we have done in the lower class. So y is equals to 3, this point, that is 3, will be representing y is equals to 3. Now we have to represent this y equals to 3 in two variable. Now in two variable we'll write, this is in one variable, now we'll write this in two variable like this: 0 dot x plus y is equals to 3. So now it has converted into two variable x and y. Now we'll be putting the value of x. Put x equals to 1. So in that case it will become 0 into 1 plus y is equals to 3. So 0 into 1 is 0. So that is equals to y is equals to 3. So another solution, will put x equals to 2. So in this case it will become 0 into 2 plus y is equals to 3. We have put the value of x equals to 2 here. So now 0 into 2 is 0. So y is equals to 3. Now we'll put the value, another value, that is put x equals to 3. So 0 into 3 plus y is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3. Now let us draw the tabular form of this linear equation two variable. These are the three solutions that we have taken. Now we are getting x and y. When we have put the value of x equals to 1, we got the y value is 3. When we put the x equals to 2, there also we get the solution 3, that is y3. When we put x equals to 3, there also we get y is equals to 3. Now we are going to plot these points on graph. Now let us solve these three solution on the graph. The first point is 1 comma 3. This is 1 comma 3. The second is 2 comma 3. This is 2 comma 3. Then third is 3 comma 3. I'll mark the solution 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. Then we have 3 comma 3. Now let us join these points. When we'll join this point, we'll get a straight line which will be passing through, which will be cutting the y-axis at 3. So this line represent y is equals to 3 in two variable. Now let us solve the question number second. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. Now first let us solve for one variable. 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. So 2x will shift this plus 9 or transpose on the right hand side. Minus 9 will become. So x equals to minus 9 upon 2, that is equals to minus 4.5. So we will draw on this on the number line which is representing x equals to minus 4.5 in one variable. This we have drawn number line. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So in between, that is between minus 4 and minus 5, the mid value will become x equals to minus 4.5. Now this we will represent in the two variable. In two variable, this is the equation 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. So 2x plus, this is in one variable, so we'll convert in two variable. 2x plus 0 dot y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we have two variable x and y. Now put y is equals to 1. In this we'll put y equals to 1. So 2x, then it becomes 0 into 1 plus 9. So 2x, 0 into 1 will become 0. We'll shift this side minus 9. So this become x equals to minus 9 upon 2, that is equals to minus 4.5. Then we'll put y is equals to 2. Then again 2x plus 0 into 2. Again the 0 into 2 will be 0. Plus 9 is equals to 0. So shift this side minus 9 it will come. So x will be equals to minus 9 upon 2, that is minus 4.5. Now let us take the third solution. Now put y is equals to 3. So 2x plus 0 into 3 plus 9 equals 0. So again 2x is equals to 0 into 3 will become 0. We will transpose this 9 this side, minus 9. So x equals to minus 9 upon 2, that is minus 4.5. So when we have put the value 1, 2, 3, in all the three cases we are receiving x equals to minus 4.5. So this is the tabular form of this solution, x and y. When we have put 1, 2, 3, in all the cases we are getting minus 4.5, minus 4.5 and minus 4.5. Now let us draw the graph of this linear equation. Now let us plot the point on the graph of the equation 2x plus 9 equals 0. Now in this, x is minus 4.5 and y is 1. So minus 4.5 will be here and this is 1. So this is the solution, minus 4.5 comma 1. Now the second solution is minus 4.5 comma 2. This is minus 4.5 comma 2, minus 4.5 comma 2. Now the third solution is minus 4.5 comma 3. So this is minus 4.5 and this is 3 here. So minus 4.5 comma 3. Now we'll join all these 3 points and let's see what is the graph coming. It is a straight line. When we join all these 3 points, it is a straight line, and as you can see, it is parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis, this is y-axis, so it is parallel to y-axis. So this is the 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. This is the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 in 2 variable.